Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Aliexpress new account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Aliexpress designed to help streamline your online shopping experience and boost your productivity. So make sure to check it out now. Let's get started. Creating an Aliexpress account is a quick and easy process. You can do it either from your web browser by visiting aliexpress.com or directly through their mobile app. Both options offer the same features, so it's entirely up to you which one you prefer. If you're using a desktop or laptop, just head over to any browser and go to the official website of AliExpress, and you will be on this homepage. AliExpress is one of the largest online retail marketplaces in the world and is owned by the Alibaba Group. It offers millions of products in nearly every category imaginable: electronics, clothing, beauty products, home goods, automotive parts, and more. What sets AliExpress apart is its incredibly competitive pricing. Many of the items are sold directly from manufacturers or wholesalers in China, allowing you to purchase products at a fraction of the cost compared to local retailers. Once you are here, look at the top right corner for the sign in or register button. If you're on a mobile device, go to the account section, which is usually at the bottom of the screen, and you'll see the sign in or register option there. Click on register to begin creating your new account. You'll be taken to a registration page where you can either sign up using your email address and or use a third-party login such as Facebook, Google, Twitter, now known as X, or Apple for fast sign-up. For this tutorial, we'll go through the manual method. Enter a valid email address. Once you hit continue, AliExpress will send a 4-digit verification code to your email. Go to your inbox, find the code, and enter it on the verification page. After that, click Verify Email, and you'll be redirected to a welcome screen confirming your account has been successfully created. Here, it will ask you to enter a password for next time login. You can skip this step by clicking Not Now, but I recommend you to create a password as it gives extra layer of security for your account. Once done, that's it, you're now ready to start shopping. Once you've created your account, shopping is pretty straightforward. Just search for the item you want, filter your results by price, shipping method, or customer reviews, and then click on the product to view more details. Make sure to check product ratings and customer reviews before making a purchase. When you're ready, click Buy Now or Add to Cart and proceed to checkout. You can pay using a variety of payment methods including credit debit cards, PayPal in certain regions, and local payment services depending on your country. AliExpress also offers a buyer protection program. If your order doesn't arrive on time or is not as described, you can open a dispute within a certain time frame. The seller will have the opportunity to resolve the issue, and if not, AliExpress can step in to help. Depending on the situation, you may receive a full refund, a partial refund, or a replacement item. It's a great system that helps build trust between buyers and sellers. Here are a few tips and tricks to make your AliExpress experience even better. First, always compare prices between different sellers for the same product. Second, look for items with AliExpress Choice or top brand labels. They usually offer better quality and faster shipping. Third, if you're buying clothes or shoes, always check the size chart provided by the seller, as sizes can vary significantly. Lastly, don't forget to collect coupons and check the flash deals section for daily discounts. And that's a wrap. You now know how to create an AliExpress account, how to start shopping, and how to make the most of your experience. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. So that's basically how you can create AliExpress new account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.